In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make viral images in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a striking, shareable image, using clear prompts and a smooth workflow. You only need the app open, an image you might want to reference, and a solid creative direction. Start by opening the app and looking for the plus icon. That plus sign is your entry point to bring in a reference or source image from your computer. Click it, choose your file, and let it load. Picking a clean, high-quality photo helps the model understand shapes, colors, and overall mood more reliably, which often leads to crisper, more compelling results. If your goal is a stylized transformation, select an image with good lighting and a clear subject. Busy or blurry images can confuse the output. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is just your anchor. Next, craft your prompt. Think of the prompt as creative direction for a professional artist. Who or what is the subject, what style you want, how the lighting should feel, and what the background and final mood should be. Specificity beats vagueness. Here's a strong example you can paste and tweak to your taste. A stylish bald man with a thick beard and detailed neck tattoos, wearing black sunglasses and a dark streetwear jacket, looking slightly upward with a confident attitude. Minimalist off-white background with artistic ink splashes and paint drips. Modern urban illustration style, semi-realistic digital painting, sharp facial details, high contrast lighting, soft shadows, grunge texture effects, clean composition, poster design aesthetic, ultra-detailed, 4K resolution. Use this as a template. Swap the subject, style, or background while keeping the structure. Subject, environment, style, lighting, texture, composition, and quality. When your prompt looks good, press Enter to submit it. This sends both your uploaded image and your instructions to the model so it can generate the result. If you spot a typo or want to refine a word or two, make that adjustment before you press Enter to avoid unnecessary retries. Now, give it a moment. This may take a while, especially if your prompt is complex or very high resolution. While it's processing, avoid clicking around or interrupting the app. Once your image appears, check whether it matches your intent. If it's close but not perfect, adjust a few descriptive terms, tighten the style, boost the lighting notes, or simplify the background, and run it again. With a thoughtful upload and a precise prompt, you'll be creating eye-catching, viral-ready images in no time.